us learn how to name a number in both Indian and International system. Okay, for this, let us see first what are the periods and places in the Indian system. In the Indian place value chart, from extreme right side, we have the periods ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. Again, these periods are divided into places. Ones period is divided into three places: ones, tens, and hundreds place. Next, thousands period into thousands and 10,000s place. Lakhs period into lakhs and 10 lakhs. Similarly, crores into crores and 10 crores. Now let us see how to name a number 613275829 in this Indian place value system. First, let us arrange all these digits in the places from right to left like this. Now, let us place commas after every period like this from right to left. Now, let us name the number like this. As 61 is in crores period, it is 61 crore, and 32 is in lakhs period, so 32 lakh. 75 is in thousands period, so it is 75,000. Finally, 829 is in ones period, so simply 829. Now, let us see the same number in the international system also. First, let us see what are the periods and places in this system. International place value chart consists of the periods, ones period, thousands period, millions period, actually billions and trillions also, but let us see up to millions only now. In this system, each period is divided into three place values, like ones period into ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands period into thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s, and millions period into millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. Note that there is no lakhs period in this international system. Okay, coming to our number 613275829. Let us arrange these digits in each place value system from right. So writing this number with commas as 613, 275, 829. That means after every period, that is after every three digits from right side. Okay, now let us name this according to periods. As 613 is in millions period, it is 613 million. 275 is in thousands period, so it is 275,000. And 829 is in ones period, so 879.